Good afternoon, students. Now, today we'll do a poem. The name of the poem is The Quarrel, and the poet is Eleanor Farjeon, a lady author, right? So, the quarrel means ladai jhagda, right? Now, here in this poem, Eleanor Farjeon, the poetess, wants to bring out the relationship between two siblings. Siblings means brother and sister, or brother and brother, or sisters. So she brings out how beautiful connection is there among the siblings, that and there is always a hidden love behind their quarrels. They often fight with each other, and sometimes very badly too. But what binds them is the love. Though they fight, but they could not live without each other. They need each other's company, and they enjoy the life together. So let's see what the poetess wants to tell us through her expression, through her poem. Okay, let's start. First, I just read once and then I will explain line by line. I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was light, the end of it was strong. He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on the back and said, "Oh, come along. We can't go on all night." I was in the wrong, so he was in the right. Let's read once again. So, I refers to the poetess only, right? So here poetess says she had a quarrel with her brother, right? Quarrel means the skirmish, the differences in opinion, jhagda, right? So she quarreled with her brother. But the poet now in the next line says that the matter was, जिस बात पे लड़ाई हुई, was so petty, was so small that now she doesn't even remember कि लड़ाई किस बात से शुरू हुई, right? They had a quarrel, but she doesn't know. I don't know what about कि किस बात से लड़ाई हुई. That means she wants to here tell the matter was so little and petty. It was not a big one, right? But somehow when the quarrel started, one thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start was slight, the end was strong. So, though it was started with a little thing, but at the end it became big. Why it became big? Because while we were quarreling, one thing led to another. एक से दूसरी बात पे शिफ्ट किया, दूसरे से तीसरी पे. जब झगड़े होते हैं एक्चुअली होता क्या है, बात कुछ भी नहीं होती है, लेकिन हम छोटी सी बात को लेके फिर पुराने गिले शिकवे, पुराने प्रॉब्लम्स, पुराने ट्रबल्स को तूने तब ऐसा किया था, बात को बढ़ाते जाते हैं. सो वन थिंग लेड टू अनदर एंड समहाउ वी फेल आउट. फेल आउट मतलब गॉट सेपरेटेड. दैट मीन्स दे वर जस्ट नॉट टॉकिंग टू ईच अदर, राइट? Understood? He said he was right, I knew he was wrong. So these two lines shows that both of them felt that they were right. भाई को लगा कि वो सही है, बहन को लगा कि वो सही है. ठीक है, राइट? अपने आप को दोनों क्या प्रूव कर रहे हैं कि हम सही हैं. He said he was right. उसने कहा वो ठीक है, वो सही बोल रहा है, और मैं जानती थी कि वो गलत बोल रहा है. दैट मीन्स मैं ठीक बोल रही हूँ, राइट? सो अंडरस्टूड? I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another, and somehow we fell out. The start of it was slight, the end of it was strong. He said he was right. I knew he was wrong. The whole stanza says that the quarrel started with a petty matter, but it became so strong that both of the siblings fell out, and both considered them right on their places. Now let's look at the second stanza. We hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Now, how the afternoon turned black? It doesn't mean that sun stopped shining. Afternoon turned black means that now they were not talking to each other. They fell out. है ना? And so it was really heavy to pass time. And afternoon turned black means the afternoon became so unpleasant and unhappy. जब आपस में बात नहीं हो रही है, क्वाइट हो गए हैं सब, तो बोरिंग सी हो जाता है ना. सो दैट यहाँ इस लाइन से पोएटस बोलना चाह रही है दैट इट बिकेम सो टेंस एंड अनप्लेजेंट. टेंस एंड अनप्लेजेंट. यहाँ टेंस का मतलब टेंशन वाला टेंस, नॉट टेंसेस. ओके ओके. देन सडनली माई ब्रदर थम्प्ड मी ऑन माई बैक. थम्प मतलब थपथपाना, राइट? पैटिंग, right? Then suddenly my brother, so brother came and thumped on poetess back, Pete Taptapai, and said, "Oh, come along, we can't go on all night." Now the brother said, "Ki we could not go like this all night. Otherwise, night will also be spoiled, and we need to talk to each other." No. So actually, the love behind their relationship, and they both were not feeling happy after quarreling, right? So the brother first came and patched up मतलब make up the differences. उसने कहा कि चलो, like he went to the sister and said, "We can't go all night. I was in the wrong." उसने कहा नहीं, मेरा ही fault था. That means the brother accepted the fault that he was in the wrong. But now see, the poetess say, so he was in the right. तो पोएटस ने एक्सेप्ट किया, हाँ वो गलत था. और बट सी द लव ऑफ द पोएटस एंड द सिबलिंग. अब दोनों ही कह रहे हैं कि नहीं, तुम ठीक थे, मैं गलत थी. सो सी, नथिंग मच इन द quarrel. They both knew that they need each other's company, but somehow when the quarrel starts, we do not look actually what we are talking to each other, what we are saying to each other, and we just say it without thinking the results. So it is just a simple, sweet poem that reflects how the siblings often fight, but there is always love that binds their relationship. Go through the poem, right? I will be sending the vocab and the back exercise tomorrow, but I would advise you to solve these, frame the answers to these questions and try to explain on your own. Then you can compare from the answer key I will send. Okay, so that's all for the day. Thank you.